Hi, welcome to my channel where I normally do makeup, but this time we're gonna go over what I purchased. It was Ulta'S 21 Days of Beauty, and I couldn't resist with a lot, so I wanted to kind of go over what I got. So it's like a haul video, opening haul video, but I don't like the word haul because it sounds like I went overboard, but I didn't really. So let's just get right in. Ooh, I got a Real Technique sponge. I've been wanting to try this out just because I have my sponge that I like. I have my AOA from Shop Missy that I really like, and I want to see if there's something similar to it, or I don't know, just broaden my knowledge of what other sponges are out there. So this is going to be one of them. The next item, ooh, this one was good. I wanted to get this one. It is a rose water setting spray. It's from Ulta Beauty, the Ulta Beauty brand. But I wanted to do this because it's more like the setting spray, but it also has SPF 50 in it. And I've been kind of going out a lot more, spending some time outside, and I don't want it to wreck my skin. So I'm going to go with a little bit of that. Speaking of, I also got these cute little things, and I know I already have enough, but you can never have enough. I got chapsticks, Ulta Beauty chapsticks. One of them is the Punchy Pomegranate, the other one is Wild Watermelon. Those are going to come in handy. I do wear lipstick chapsticks a lot underneath all my lipstick. I also got the Ulta Beauty Tinted Juice Infused Lip Oil. That's gonna be good. I like the juice kind of ones. Those are really good. I think this is mostly like lip stuff because I also got the COLOURPOP. It's a velvet lipstick, a luxe lipstick, velvet blur. It's called Ulta'S, but it is one of their luxe ones, so this will be pretty. I actually discovered their lipsticks. I've been really into liquid lipsticks, but the lipstick I had, it was a luxe one. Decided to give it a try. I wanted another nude, and it was so amazing on my lips. It felt like just butter melted on, and that doesn't sound that great, but when you feel it, it's amazing. I also snagged this because it was on sale. It is a Frozen 2 ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip, Free Spirit. So that should be cute. Let me see what this color is. If the box will open. Okay, that one's cute. Okay. I really like the design on the handle too. That is really nice. So, I also got, since I did order a lot of stuff from ColourPop right before their warehouse decided to close down for a while, I decided to order a few things from Ulta since they were on sale anyway. I believe it was 30% off. So, I got a Super Shock Cheek. FLEXITARIAN. Okay, we can do that. Should be pretty cute. I'm stoked to try that. I hear their skin stuff is really good. I've only tried the lip stuff so far, so I want to broaden my knowledge and experience with ColourPop because so far I'm in love with it. Nothing about this brand I dislike. And this one too, it's a Super Shock Cheek. It is pretty nut. Okay. See? That one's cute. And I love my blushes. So this will be good. I'm excited to try that. Oh, I also got these because I wanted to test them all out. I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. I have a foundation. I got the, well, this is the liquid foundation, I should say. Liquid foundation. I got the stick foundation. And I also got their concealer, Photo Focus Concealer. We will give these a try. I have never tried a stick foundation, so this should be pretty good. I hear a lot of people rave about this one, so we're gonna give it a go and see what can happen. I'll put those over here. And last but not least, because I tried the mattifying mist spray and I love it. I absolutely love what it does. It locks in any eyeshadow I have on for the day. It doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't budge. It stays. So I was in love with it. And the continuous mist is very nice too. Instead of having to like, I like it. I also got the peach one when it came out, even though it's a tiny little thing. But this was on sale. It is the Morphe times Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist Strawberry, or excuse me, Starberry scent. Very cute. And we have the continuous mist, which I think is really neat. You probably don't get as much in here compared to like what I get in here. It's probably not even close. Yeah, no. But still, I love the way this comes out and the way it holds. I don't know what Morphe did to come up with this, but they need to keep doing it to come up with these great ideas. So, that is it. That's all that's in my box this time. Thank you for joining me for this opening video. You can like and subscribe or comment down below. Let me know what you picked up with Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale, or what other sales you like to hit. I know Sephora has one coming up, and that's about it. Thanks for joining me. Okay, bye.